Here we go, guys. It's race day. All right, here we got the 2022 TRD, what did I say? Oh, 2022, 2021, 5.7 liter. Here we got the V6 twin turbo, non-hybrid. Do a quick little walk around. Daniel could look more excited. Alrighty. It's a TRD 4x4 off-road model. Picked this thing up a couple days ago. Be sure to check out our pull or tug of war between these two in our previous YouTube video. Alright, boys. Nothing fancy. We're going to do it nice and safe. 1, 2, 3, go! One, 2, 3, go! Bye, Felicia!